Need to know your ring size? Easy. Most men and women's ring size typically falls within a certain range. Jewelry stores usually carry sizes from 5 to 9 for women and 8 to 12 for men. The standard size for women is 7, while for men it's a 10. Measuring your ring size is easy. Locate a string and wrap around the area of the finger that will wear your new ring. Take the marked string and measure. 53 millimeters. Millimeters will give you the most accurate result. Click the link on the video description below to find a chart with ring sizing by finger circumference. See where your measurement falls. 53 millimeters means I'm a size 6.5. If you are unsure, you can always go up 1/2 size. That's a good idea when the ring you love has a wide band or if you have large knuckles. If all else fails, don't be shy. Come into any REEDS Jewelers and we'll be more than happy to get you fitted for a ring. Happy ring shopping!